Hello dear student, now we are in the class 8 exercise 2.3. So our question is solve the following and check your result. Here we have to solve and after that we have to cross check the answer. So here you observe in the both side variable is there. Till now whatever the question we solve like that, what we were doing, suppose 2x plus 1 equal to 3. So like that equation we were using. So in the LHS side we were having variable, RHS side we were having the number. So in only one side we were having the variable, but here in both side variable is there. But the procedure for solving this is nothing but same. So we will keep that variable in one side and or we will keep the number in other side. So what happen in both side variable is there, so we will take it in one side. So 3x minus 2x, we are shifting this variable, okay, along with the coefficient is there, like this is what 2x, so we are shifting into the other side. So 3x minus 2x, that you already learned, the sign will be changed, equals to 18. So 3x minus 2x is x equals to 18. So the answer is 18. We got the solution. Now we will check whether it is correct or not. So while checking, you write the question as it is. Okay. Then after that, you simply put the value. 3 into 18 equals to 2 into 18 plus 18. So here it is 54 equals to 36 plus 18. So it is nothing but 54 equals to 54. Both the sides are equal. It means LHS equals to RHS. So it means that our result is correct. And check your result. So you can note it down also. Our value x equals to 18 is correct. That also you can note it down. Here once the LHS and RHS is equal, it means our answer is correct. So our value x equal to 18 is correct. Next one is 5t and here 3t is there. So you can keep them in one side. So it is minus 3. Both the number we want in one side. So minus 5 is already there. So it is plus 3. That number we are shifting. So it is what 5t minus 3t. Sign of the greater number will be there. So here subtraction is there. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So whenever you solve like that, so what you do the subtraction of that number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Give the sign of greater. So it is 2t. Minus 5 plus 3. It is what? Minus 2. So t equals to minus 2 upon 2. Both are the same number. So both are cut. And t equals to minus 1. Now we will check that. So how we will check? You simply write the question as it is and then simply put the value. Then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Here minus 3 as it is. Here minus 3 minus 5. Here you see it is same. Minus 8 equal to minus 8. So LHS equals to RHS. So it means our answer is correct. Next one is question number 3. 5x and 3x coming into the one side. That number we will shift in other side. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Here 5 minus 9 is nothing but subtraction you have to do. It is 4. Sign of greater number. So x equal to minus 4 upon 2. So it is what? Both the number are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is x equals to minus 2. Downside 1 means if you want you can write also, but we directly write minus 2. Then we will check that. Write question as it is. Put the values. So 5 minus 2 plus 9. 5 plus 3 minus 2. Then here 5 into 2 is 10. Sign is minus, plus 9. Here 5 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Sign will be minus. So it is what? Minus 6. So here minus 10 plus 9, it is 1, sign of greater number. here 5 minus 6. So here the sign of greater number and subtraction. Both are same. So LHS is RHS. It means our answer is correct. So after that we will go to the next question. So now we are in the question number 4. So what we will do the same process. 4Z here, this 2Z we are shifting into the LHS side. So minus 2Z equals to 6 minus 3. So we arrange variable in one side and the number in one side. So here our variable is Z. So 4Z minus 2Z. So it is nothing but 2Z. Sign of the greater, because 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So here Z equals to 3 upon 2. This is the answer. Now we will cross check. You write the question as it is. So put that value 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 equal to 6 plus here 2. Z value is 3 upon 2. So now we solve. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2, 2 directly cut. So it is 3. So 9 equal to 9. So it means our answer is correct. We cross check because LHS is RHS. Now going into the fifth one. Here 2x. Here it is x variable. So we are shifting into other side. So it is plus x. Then 14. Here plus 1. So here 2x plus x and here 14 plus 1. So it is 3x equals to 15. Finally x equal to 15 upon 3. So x is nothing but 5 because 3 5s are 15. So now we will cross check, write as it is first. Then x value is 5. So 2 into 5 minus 1 equal to 14 minus value of x is 5. So it is 10 minus 1 and here you have to subtract 14 minus 5 is 9. Here it is 9. So LHS is RHS. So our answer is correct. Next one 8x. So plus 4. So here you have to do multiplication. 3x minus 3 plus 7. 8x, that number, this 3x we are shifting in this side. So it is minus 3x equal to this 4 we are shifting into other side. So it is minus 4 minus 3 plus 7. 8 minus 3x is 5x, sign of greater number, equal to here minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 7 plus 7. So it is 0. So it means x equal to 0 by 5. So x is finally 0. Now we will cross check. 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. As it is we have written. So x is 0 means that term will be that here this number will be 0 plus 4. Here 3. Here x is 0 minus 1 plus 7. So here it is 4. 3 into 0 is 0. So here 3 into 1 is 3. Sign is minus plus 7. So here 4 equal to minus 3 plus 7, 4. So finally LHS is RHS. Both sides are same. So our answer is correct. After this we will go to the next question. So now we are in the question number 7. So we solve this. X equal to. So you multiply this with the variable x. 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 5 into 10. Now here x equals to 4 upon 5x plus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 4 into 2 is 8. And then this term we will keep into the LHS side because we have the variable x. X minus 4 upon 5x equals to 8. Now we can easily solve. You can keep x common, so it will be easy for solving. 1 minus 4 upon 5. So you can make denominator same. So downside 1 is there, so you multiply with 5. So 5 into 1 is 5. Upside also same, 1 into 5 is 5. Because 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 1. Minus 4 upon 5 equals to 8. So here 5 is the denominator. So here 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is 1 upon 5 equals to 8. So finally we can write here, this is 1 upon 5x. So I am going into this side. 1 upon 5x equal to 8. So finally we can write x equal to 5 will go now upside, 8 into 5. So x is what? 40. So this is the answer. So now here we solve and we got the value of x, that is 40. So now it's time to cross check. So first you write question as it is and simply put the value of x. 40 we already got now here LHS. 4 upon 5 x value 40 plus 10. So it is 4 upon 5 into it is 50. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So equals to 10 into 4 is 40. So it means both sides same. So our answer is correct. Going for the 8th one. Here this term which is having variable x, we are keeping in the common side. So minus 7x upon 15. And here 3 minus 1. So you can keep the denominator same. How we will do? 3 into 5 is 15. So downside 15 I am writing. And here what I done? 3 into 5. So here 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10 and x as it is. Okay, so we got here 10x upon 15 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. And here denominator is same, right as it is. 10x minus 7x is 3x equals to 2. So here we can cut this number, both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So here it is 1 upon 5x equals to 2. It means x equal to 5 you can shift in other side. It is downside, so it will go in upside. 2 into 5. So x is 10. This is the solution. And now we will cross check the answer. So again you write the question as it is. So our question is 2x upon 3 plus 1, 7x upon 15 plus 3. So x value is 10. So here 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1, 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. So here it is 20 upon 3 plus 1 and here 70 upon 15 plus 3. So here we have to, you can make their denominator common. We can easily do plus. Here 3, right? 3 into 1. So 1, here also 3 will be there because 3 divided by 3 is 1. This side 7, downside 15 is there. So here downside there is no number, so it is 1. And finally 3 into 15 will be there, so it is 45. So here the denominators we got same. 20 plus 3, 23 upon 3 equal to, here it is 50. Here you do the addition of 70 and 45. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 4 you have to do. So it is 115. And now you can cut this number by 3. Both the number are divisible by 3. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Then here 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 1. So 5 3s are 15. So both the sides are finally same. So as we divided both the number by 5. So LHS is RHS and our answer is correct. So after this we will go to the next question. So here now we are in question number 9. So what we will do, 2y write as it is. This term which is having the variable plus y, it is shifting their side. then 26 upon 3, we are changing the side of this number, so it will be minus 5 upon 3. So 2y plus y, it is nothing but 3y. And here denominators are already common, so it is easy for calculation. 26 minus 5, it is 21. And here both the number are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Then here it is 3y equal to 7. So it means y is 7 upon 3. Now we will cross check. So here in the checking part, we will write the question as it is, so that no confusion will be there. And then simply put the value of y. 2 into 7 upon 3, because the y value is 7 by 3. 5 by 3, 26 by 3 minus 7 upon 3. Then 7 into 2 is 14. 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Here the denominators is already common, so we will directly solve. 26 minus 7, so it is 19, sign of the greater one, so it is 19 upon 3. 14 plus 5 is 19 upon 3, here also 19 upon 3, so LHS is RHS, so our answer is correct. 10th one, 3m, this number, the 5m, this term I am shifting into this side. 3m minus 5m equals to minus 8 upon 5. And then 3m minus 5m means it is 2m, because 3 minus 5 is 2, sign of greater number, equals to minus 8 upon 5. So here it is better if you remove the minus. In both side minus is there. So if you, what happen, if you multiply by minus, then it will be plus. And whenever you keep in mind, if you are getting the number like that, that minus minus get cancelled. So it is 2m equals to 8 upon 5. Or if you didn't understand, what we can do, multiply minus 1 to both sides. So minus minus plus, here also minus minus plus. Then here m equals to 8 upon 5. Here this number is going into this side, so it is 1 upon 2. Finally m equals to 8 into 1 is 8, 5 into 2 is 10. So both the number are divisible by 2. So here 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So it is 4 upon 5. So it means m is 4 upon 5. Now we will cross check the answer. So it is 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. M value is 4 upon 5. So 3 into 4 upon 5. 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. So 3 into 4, 12 upon 5. Here 5 into 4 is 20 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. 12 upon 5 as it is equals to, here denominators are same, so here 20 minus 8, it is 12. So it means LHS is RHS. So it means our answer is correct. So this question was quite easy. You have to just find the value of the variable, means you have to find solution. Whichever the variable is there, you have to find that variable, whether it is x, y, z, m. And after that you put that value in the left and right side. If both are same, it means your answer is correct. So I hope friend you understood this exercise. Thanks for watching. Thank you.